Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Kevin Vong and I'm one of the technical software specialists here at Graitec Group. Thank you for joining me at this week's 15 at 15. I'll dive into how to rev up your Revit project health with the Ultimate Model Checkup. In this week's session, we will focus on using Ideate automation to run and create a Revit project health check report. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat and we'll be happy to assist. Okay, so let's get started. So Ideate automation is a Windows application that automates Revit tasks and can utilize Ideate software solutions like Ideate BIMlink, Ideate Explorer, Ideate Style Manager, and Ideate Apps. It's designed to run with minimal input that delivers accurate and predictable results. So essentially, it's about saving time and automating repetitive common tasks, such as exporting PDFs or DWGs from your model, or accessing the model and extracting data from them. Data extraction is one key area that we're targeting, which might be extracting data from our models for a model check, or it can be as simple as generating schedules from our schedule on a regular basis. You could set up a task within Ideate automation to export those schedules from your model into Excel on a weekly basis. But more importantly, we want to make sure that the data you're exporting is consistent and predictable to remove that chance of human error creeping in. So today we are going to be looking at Revit Model Health. This has been a very hot topic recently and has generated a lot of interest by users and managers alike. Monitoring your model health and performing regular health checks allows for prompt action, course correction, and workflow implementation in a project by users and BIM managers that are managing the project. And failing to address these issues can lead to performance issues, model crashes, saving issues, printing and exporting issues, model upgrade issues, missed deadlines, and ultimately incorrect data. So there are a lot of things that can cause a Revit model to perform poorly, but here are just some of those issues. So we have things like in-place families, excessive groups, model lines, linked and imported CAD files, number of views and sheets, and excessive warnings. You can use Ideate automation to populate a macro-enabled Excel template to create the model check report, such as the one shown here. So this template is provided with Ideate automation to our customers, and this spreadsheet also contains pivot tables that show key project health metrics using the data extracted with Ideate automation. You can see in this screenshot the number of warnings per megabyte, number of warnings, file size, CAD links, in-place families, and so forth. To create a health check report like the one shown in the previous slide, in addition to Ideate automation, you will also need to subscribe to other Ideate software tools such as Ideate BIMlink, Ideate Explorer, and Ideate Apps. Ideate BIMlink allows you to export huge amounts of parameter or properties data to Microsoft Excel. Excel can be utilized to review, make changes, then seamlessly push back changes into the Revit model. So Ideate Explorer is a true Revit model project browser. It shows you every instance of every element in the Revit model. It allows you to easily understand your model and make powerful edits by swapping components, updating information, auditing elements, and reviewing Revit warnings with the built-in warning manager. And then Ideate Apps focuses on common Revit tasks that improves workflow efficiencies. The health check reports uses Ideate Annotate to review the 2D annotations on your views and sheets, and highlights issues such as overlapping text, tags and dimensions, blank tag and zero length dimensions. Okay, so let's see this in action now. So here I have a video demo, which shows Ideate Automation here, opened up on my screen. So I'm going to play this video, and what we're going to do is run through these steps into creating a health check report. Okay, so start by clicking on the Create button and then navigating to the Health Check section. And then this is a case of locating our Revit model from our account. So this can be a Revit model from our local computer, or it can be from Autodesk Construction Cloud. So then we can select a folder to export our health check report to. So this is the folder location and the name of the report. Then we can click Run. Okay, and now Ideate Automation is opening Revit and running a script to open the model and then extract information to compile the Excel health check report. Okay, so give it a few moments. Okay, so now with the report completed, we can open up the folder and then locate that report. And you can see here the summary tab shows the key model health metrics such as the file size, the number of warnings and number of CAD imports. Okay, so let's see the other areas. And you can see here the blue tab shows the data that has been exported from Ideate BIMlink. The green tabs, which we'll show later, green tabs show the warning data that has been exported from the Model by Ideate Explorer. Okay, and then the orange tab shows the annotation issues that has been exported from Ideate Annotate. Okay, so it is quite a comprehensive report, as you can see. And everything here is a result of the extraction of our Revit model. Okay, so let's just summarize what we've learned so far in this webinar. So poor model health can lead to performance issues with your Revit models. And by using the Ideate Automation Health Check that utilizes the other Ideate software solutions, you can perform regular model health checks. The resulting Excel document from the export allows you to review project data and enables prompt action to be taken to prevent further issues from occurring. So if you have questions, please put them in the chat and we will be happy to assist. If we didn't get to answer your questions, please reach out to us at support@ideatesoftware.com. And one final thing is that the session is recording and will be available online on our YouTube channel under 15 recordings playlist. Okay, so thank you very much for attending today's webinar, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.